I'm Suzanne Tartarilla, Dean of Students here at Pinkerton, and ordinarily I would have my mask on, but because I'm outside and because Mrs. Mitchell is more than 6 feet away from me, I'm pulling my mask down for this interview. So I'd like to speak to everyone at home and address some of the most frequent questions that we're getting in our offices about the reopening in a few weeks. The most frequent question that I'm getting in my office these days has to do with orientations, and this is something new that we're doing this year. We've held a freshman orientation for many years, I think 15 years maybe, but because of all that's going on, because we haven't seen the kids since March 13th, we thought, you know what, this is a really good year to have an orientation for each of our classes. So each class will have an orientation session on August 27th and 28th. Each session will last 2 hours and 15 minutes. There will be busing, so I would encourage families to contact the busing company that serves your town to find out what the busing schedule looks like. The students will be on campus for that 2 hours and 15 minutes. They'll move from station to station with teacher escorts. Each station, they'll be oriented on some aspect of our reopening. For example, health and safety guidelines, proper mask usage, what to do if a student feels sick, and what the new health office protocols might look like. They'll have a look at the cafeteria layout and what the new cafeteria protocols will look like, all kinds of things like that. We believe that they will feel more comfortable about coming back. They'll have a visual of how things are going to look when they come back, and they'll have a chance to see some of their friends and teachers that they haven't seen since last March. So we're all really excited about that, and then we'll be ready to go for the grand reopening on August 31st. So I know I'm speaking for everyone here that we're looking forward to that moment that we've been planning for all summer long.